guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a really simple 3 steps of quick, effortless, summery, beachy waves. That was such a long description, but basically effortless curls and waves. I love this hairstyle. I love lightening my hair in the spring, summer, and I love doing this hair on them. It's really, really simple. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell, and let's jump in. Today, this video is in collaboration with one of my favorite brands, Moroccanoil. I love them. You guys know I have talked about them so many times in my favorites, especially their shampoo and conditioner I love. And today I'm going to be showing you their heat protectant and their texture spray along with their curling one, which I think the color is just super, super cute. Yeah, and we're going to be doing easy, effortless waves. A little bit about Moroccanoil, my backstory and why I'm so excited to jump into this video and collaborate with them is I actually started using Moroccanoil when I was in India, almost, I want to say 8 to 10 years ago. I fell in love with their shampoo and conditioner, and I have used it ever since. Like, I've gone through bottles and bottles. So for me, this is just so exciting. And let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. I have long hair with extensions. As you guys can see, I like to curl them because it helps me blend my actual hair with the lighter extension hair. Also, if you have flat hair, this gives some volume. This gives some life to the hair because I just feel like right now my hair is dull and flat. So let's go ahead and start. Firstly, it comes in this box that I want to show you guys. Ooh, that's too bright. And it does say it has a temperature control from 265 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Auto shut off in 1 hour, so you don't have to worry, if you've left it on. This is their professional series titanium curling iron, and this is the extra long 1 inch. And also this barrel is titanium, so it'll have like an even heat distribution. Now, this one does come with a clip, so if you want to do traditional curls, you can actually use it as a clip. But because we're going to do effortless waves today, we are just going to use that single barrel without the clip. Alright, so I just switched this on. This is around 410. If you have thinner hair, you can't go for something lower. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of my hair, like around the ear, and just put one section up. I like doing my hair in 2 sections. This adds a lot of volume. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply the Protect 450 degrees spray. I love this because it protects up to 450 degrees, and I usually put my tools to up to 400, 430. So that's really, really great, and it smells amazing. So I'm just going to spray that on the lower section. All right, so taking 1 inch section, you want to hold your tool in the other hand, bring it from behind and just place it straight down or at a slight angle is what I would say, and just wrap your hair. But you want to leave the ends out. Now, this is very important. Leaving the ends out is what will give you that effortless, lived in, I've had my curl for days and they still look perfect kind of look. So I just leave that end section out, and we're going to wait for a few seconds. All right, and we're just going to let it go and rest like that. Now for the next section, what we want to do is you want to add volume. So you want to alternate the curl. This one we curled outside, and the next one we're going to curl inside. So how you're going to do is hold it in the opposite hand, but this side bring it from in front of the hair, and again, just wrap your curls. I have extensions, so some pieces like to poke out like that. Again, leaving the ends out. And there we go. Alright, so now let me go ahead and show you guys the rest of the bottom section, but with a little bit sped up so you can see all these sections just at a faster speed. Let's go. Alright, so just going ahead and taking off the top section. Again, with that heat protectant spray, I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all over the top section. So good, guys. I love the smell of Moroccanoil products. All right, so the same thing we're gonna do with the top section. I'm just going to take sections around this size, and again, we'll bring it from the back. So we'll bring it from the back, and then we'll just go ahead and curl it. This is slightly a thicker section that I've taken. The best thing about effortless waves is you do not need to be very, very specific. I try to keep it around 1 inch, but sometimes it's like 1.5 inches like this. And also for the top section, you want to leave the ends out. For each and every bit, you want to leave the ends out. And I'm just going to let it go like that. So for the next section, again, we're going to curl it inwards to add that volume, to make it look more natural. All right, letting that go. And then same thing, we're gonna speed up. Alright, so for the front section, we always curl outwards. I always like the hair going away from the face. That is more, I feel like, a modern, effortless look. So what I'm going to do is, again, bring the curling one from behind, curl it, and then, again, just wrap kind of like these sections like that. I just feel like more than a downward angle, I give it more of a horizontal angle because it'll give you that volume right there on the top. So that's all I do, pretty much the same thing, it's just the angle that's different, and again, leaving out that end section. And then just leave it up. Alright guys, so we are done with step 1, that was the heat protectant, and step 2, that was the curling. Honestly, it only took less than 10 minutes, and I have like extensions and long hair. It's very, very easy and fast. Next, let's move to the third and important step for me to make it look more effortless. So this is the dry texture spray from Moroccanoil, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift my curls like this and just spray. This is dry, so it won't take away from the curls. I feel like it adds a volume, it adds that little bit of hold and grit, and it's not at all crunchy. In fact, I can talk during this, which usually during a spray, I can't talk. Next, what I want to do is I'm actually just going to open up the curls a little bit more, just lightly brush them. Now you don't need to do this step. I just like my curls a lot more looser compared to the tighter ones. So if you guys can see, this is the tight, these are the loose. So this is it. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's like effortless summery curls or waves. I love wearing this hairstyle in the summer, and thank you so much to Moroccanoil for collaborating with us on this video. I'll have the links to the products right down below. I love this company. They make such great products. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts right down below in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Bye!